Hi guys, welcome to weekly Forex forecast for the 26th 30th of June. My name is Andrew Shinesky. I'm a technical analyst at AAFX trading company, and tradition will begin our forecast with the Euro-USD currency pair. Well, last week was pretty interesting because we saw a strong fall of the price, then it was changed by a strong growth of the price, but overall the pair is trading in the consolidation, and unfortunately volume has been pretty small for last week, so we are unable to highlight any volume levels or zones. So yes, of course, this level of resistance, our global level of resistance, is still actual. It's 1.1268, 1.1279, but if we take a look at our Forex chart, you see that the distance between this level and the current level is pretty huge. So unfortunately, the situation is really complicated, and it's tough to predict the further moves of the price. But anyway, we can try to highlight the most possible and the only possible scenario. The only good scenario for trading the euro. It's a continuation of this rapid growth, but this growth should be on increased volume, so it should be supported by a large volume. So it's very important to wait for the appearance of such volumes on the market and the continuation of this upward move. So in such a case, we can open long positions. Our target will be the level of resistance, and stop loss should be set below the beginning of this bullish impulse. So in such a case, it's pretty interesting scenario for trading. But overall, we should be extremely careful trading the euro right now. Our next instrument is pound. Well, you see the situation here is pretty common to the euro situation because the price is traded in the global consolidation. But there is a difference because we saw a strong and rapid growth of the price and the creation of the new resistance, and it's the most important that it's fresh. It's 1.2738. Let's take a look at our volume chart. Well, you see that this level contains, well, it's not very big volume, but still it's increased, as you can see from the chart. And you see that after the creation of this level, the price started trading in the consolidation. Also, we need to highlight a strong growth of the price supported by really large volume. So given all these factors, the scenario of breakout of this level is the most probable. So if the price breaks out this level on increased volume, we can open long positions and set a stop loss below the breakout volume bar. The potential of the deal is the level 1.2800. So it's 1 to 2 risk profit ratio, which is acceptable by our trading system. So if the price gives us a good entry point, we can trade this instrument and open long positions for the pound. Our third currency pair is the Japanese yen. Well, situation here is very tough because yes, we have a strong uptrend, but it was ended, and now the price is trading in the local consolidation. You see that volatility on the market is very low, and if we take a look at our volume chart, you can see that volume has been very small for last couple of days, and you see that unfortunately we cannot highlight any fresh levels or zones, so we just need to wait for the appearance of strong volume, of huge volume, and the beginning of the trend. Also, it's very important to notice the presence of the strong accumulation of volume inside this range. So the breakout of the boundaries of this consolidation most probable will be the beginning of the trend. So now we are unable to trade this instrument, but after the breakout of the consolidation, I think that we will have a good opportunity to trade the Japanese yen. But now the best decision is just to stay out of the market and wait for the beginning of the local trend. And our last instrument is gold. Well, as you can see from the chart, at the end of last week, the price showed a strong and rapid growth and tested the resistance zone 1251.90, 1256.00. If we take a look at our volume chart, you see that this zone is a crucial zone for trading gold because it contains really large volume, and you see that the price couldn't finally break it out. But on the other hand, we also didn't see a strong rebound of the price, so it means that the pair is willing to break it out and continue this growth, this upward move. So the scenario for trading gold is pretty simple. We need to wait for a strong bullish momentum from the current level or after a small correction of the price. After that, we can open long positions with a stop loss set below the beginning of the strong and rapid growth. The target is level 1278.80. It's global resistance, so you see that it's at least 1 to 3 risk profit ratio, which is really good for us, and it's of course it's acceptable by our trading system. So this deal is extremely profitable, so I advise you to watch for further moves of the price of gold, and if the market gives us a good entry point, we can make this deal. So for gold, after an additional signal, we open long positions. So overall, best situations for trading on the market right now are for the pound after the breakout of the resistance, and for gold after the confident and strong growth of the price on increased volume. As for the euro, well, yes, we have a scenario of trading this instrument, but still we are in the consolidation, so I advise you to be extremely careful and to trade only after a strong confirming signal and a good entry point. As for the yen, as I told you before, we just should stay out of the market and wait for the exit of the price from this consolidation. So for today it's all. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this forecast will be useful for you. See you next week. Bye bye.